Hi, this is my 10th experiment on intermediate code generation. So it is a 3 address code in which having RHS can have at most one operator. So this is my code. So before this, let me run the code. Enter expression. So if I enter my expression is a plus b plus c minus d. So this is my expression in which having my operators as plus minus. So in that case, I'll be substituting my p1 as a plus b. So you can see here it's a 3 address. A is one item, b plus, and another third one as b. So in this case, my RHS have at most one operator. Plus is 1, plus, and another is minus. So let's see how it works. So I'll be using my this is my class. So in this class I'll be setting my precedence. So for division and multiplication have equal precedence, so I'll be setting it to 1. For plus and minus I have equal precedence, so I'm giving a precedence as 2, and this precedence is less compared to the previous one, which is higher, that is 1. And then is a check preset function in which I will checking my precedence dot length, the length of the precedence, that is in this case for division if it is 1, I'll be using it 1 in this place, and in this I'll be using with these iterations over and over again. So now this is the function, and if there is any exception, it catches the exceptions. So now moving to this for loop. Before that, we just enter the expressions. It reads line by line, and the rest of the function takes place in this for loops. So this for loop is used before that. This for loop, let's see on this for loop. So it checks our expression dot length. So the entered expression, like in this case, was a plus b plus c minus d. So it checks my I enter my expression, read my expression line by line. So this check process is my boolean variable. I'm using new boolean, and this is for expression dot length, getting this value from this line. And I have a for loop also. If my check process of I is equal to false, I'll be initializing it earlier. Then I'll be having another for loop for this for precedence. Say this for some a plus b slash c. So in this case, it will check my precedence like division has the highest precedence and plus. So if it is the j less than precedence dot length, if my token is equal to precedence j 0, in that case my operators my op count 0 is equal to token, and my operators op count of 1 is equal to I plus. This is my precedence 0 and 1, and then I will be incrementing my opcode, and then we breaking out of the if and go to the next iterations. Again I will be facing the same precedence like in other one plus similarly. Now moving to the next case. In this case we will sort the function. I will sort it. So this is for sorting. So in this case I'll be using a temp variable. This is the part where I sort using the temp variable. And now finally this part is for creating a parse, for parsing. So say some same example, a plus b slash c. So it separates my terminals like you can see here a and b. So there are 2 operands and 1 operator, and t2 is a collection of t1, which is one single operand, and summed up with c, which is another operand. So I have moved to this part. So to subtract it from this part, so I have to use this whole thing collectively minus d. So the whole thing I have added as t2. So with t2 I have to subtract with dd, and I am getting the resultant as t3. So that thing I am doing is here. And finally, if my check process j plus n is equal to true, so in that case I'll be having my x variable to incrementing my x value as +1 if it is less than op count. So in that case I'll be converting my this operator's value to integers, and I'll be checking if my it is j plus 2 equal to those integer value, then I'll be printing my op2 value, else I'll be printing my character at j plus 1. So we can check for another output. Say some a plus b slash c minus d. As you can see here, t1 is a combination of b slash d. So first of all, it has the highest precedence, so it first calculates b slash d, and now b slash d can be either calculated with a plus that t1 or this t1 minus d. So in that case I will be first using a plus t1. So I will be using this part till. With this a plus t1 I will be storing it in t2, and this t2 can be used later for t2 minus d, calculating t3. So this t3 is my resultant intermediate code, intermediate code. So this was my 10th experiment. Thank you for watching my video.